What up, YouTube? It's Red Max Remington once again. We are playing some more VR. This time, it's the Rec Room game called Autopsy of Jane Doe. Hello. If you wanna check out my channel, links, maybe the link will be in the description down below. Anyway, please subscribe. We're just gonna be seeing some more horror. Let's see what this game has in store for us today. Can you open that mailbox right there? Hey, Denise, is that your name? Hey, can you open that mailbox? Oh God! Oh shit! Oh shit! Ah! Ah!
I want you to take me.
What the fuck? Oh my God! Okay, that's one.
Listen, everyone, party up. Yeah.
Oh.
There you go. Max! Okay.
Oh my God, that scared the shit out of me. So, I'm the detective here. Let me do some of the work. I'm the homicide detective. Whoops, didn't mean to push that button. Oh my gosh, that scared me. Oh my gosh. That's my chair. Not a lot of room here. Okay, so he's going down the stairs. The Autopsy of Jane Doe. Oh, this is scary as shit. I don't even know why people bother coming down here at this time. If I was to work at a morgue or whatever, I'd do it in the AM shift. I don't do night shifts. And trust me, I respect the dead, but I don't want to mess with the dead.
Hey, it's Austin. I'm really sorry about calling you in this late, but I didn't know what else to do, with my father being sick and having to be at the hospital all day. I really do appreciate it. It should be a rather simple night, and it's been a relatively slow one, although there is a task that must be finished by tomorrow morning. Sheriff Berg wrote in an interesting woman no one could identify, and they need a cause of death for the press tomorrow. Head to the office and grab the key, then come on back and find her freezer. After that, I'll guide you through the next steps.
Hello.
Hey,
Hey.
I'm recording.
What the? Okay, come.
Yep. Yeah. So go to the office, find the key. Nice. Let's maybe down here. It should be down here, maybe. Oh yeah, it is. There's an office door, obviously. There. Okay. Freaked out. Gosh, I'm freaked out. Key. I got auto drift real bad.
تعالي تذكر No.
Alright, open! I'd be freaked out too. Believe me, this game is too scary. Oh, too scary. Slowly opening the door. Keys. Open the freezer.
Oh, yeah, I wanna go. What the heck is this?
How do I? Do I just? Maybe something in my inventory? Let me see.
I think
For this room,
we can go here.
use.
Okay.
I guess you can't use a clue.
Uh,
So what am I supposed to do? Am I supposed to get like a cart or something? I think we need like a cart or something. Maybe that's why. Oh boy. So what the heck is this? Come on. Ah! Maybe I'm not supposed to let go of the key. Thank you. Yep,
Oh,
it's a
don't
daddy.
worry about those bells. They're there to make sure the ones who are down stay down. We wouldn't want a dead man walking now, would we?
Well, maybe it's to let us know that the people who are dead. I guess it kind of makes sense. Do you have the key? Of course not. Oh, we're gonna need the key again.
how do we run? Oh my gosh.
Mm.
Mitch. Oh my gosh. Where? What? طيب يلا انا انقذ كتير. صدق حقك رزق. والله ما قاعد يفهم شيء بس قاعد يسلك.
I don't think we're supposed to go in the elevator. I think we're supposed to find more than what it seems.
Bro, I can't.
أبي خبط من عارفة كيف.
Open the door.
We
No.
I guess بدي حقك بس.
I don't see any carts around here. Maybe look for something down there.
Oh, okay. Okay.
So we can cover more ground and see we get this done as quick as possible.
Oh my gosh, we're so slow. I can't run. This is so.
Maybe that's the part of the story. We're to be slow.
Yeah, I think so.
Wrong.
Oh my gosh. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh, I think something is.
My objective is to not drop the key.
Sweet.
Oh
Grab
my
the
gosh,
stretcher
this
and
is
transport her body to
terrifying.
the
What the
autopsy
heck
room.
is this?
Once you're there, await further instructions.
Alright,
I
looks like
wanna
female.
go.
Okay. Da 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 da.
Come with me. Come with me.
Right da 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 da. What? What the hell is that?
I think.
You okay?
Oh
Yeah, I would. I'd be freaked out too.
my god.
Woo! Moving cards. Don't.
No.
It's just part of the story. Don't worry. The cart's going to the top. They're going to the morgue room.
My sister
Sweet.
leave.
Go ahead and transport her over to the autopsy room so you can go ahead and get started.
My sister leave.
Sweet. Go ahead and transport her over to the autopsy.
Oh, gosh, it's like 11 o'clock and I'm still tired. I don't know why.
Weird. Her eyes are clouded over, which could mean she's been dead for a few days. But I don't know. We'll just take a picture and move on to the next step.
Keep taking pictures as we go. So, female, most likely.
Yeah,
Young
for real,
adult.
bro, she got
Young adult.
Interesting. Her her ankles and wrists have been fractured.
Yo,
That actually scratched that. They've been completely shattered. Maybe this could be caused from being tied up or bound by something extremely tight. Take a picture and see what else you can find.
I don't know.
Most likely either restrained or something like that in some way. If I had to guess. Ankles and wrists.
How the fuck did you get that camera?
Taking pictures of the ankles and wrists. Oh, God
Gotta
damn.
open, baby.
Can I see the camera? Took some which means I'm going to go get back and get the camera. So ankles and wrists. Okay, I'll go ahead and
What do we even fucking do?
We could be looking at a potential human trafficking situation, which could make sense since her joints do support it, and whoever kidnapped her could have buried her, hence the reason she has soil under her finger and toenails. Scratch that. The soil is peat. Extremely rare unless you buy it in a nursery. Man, I haven't seen this stuff in ages, which is odd since it's most commonly found in more northeastern states. That also doesn't add up. Clean up the finger and
Northeastern.
toenails and take a picture and we'll
could
move on.
be, I say, Massachusetts somewhere. Somewhere around Massachusetts, if I had to guess. That's where I commonly know where that kind of stuff is. And how I know about that soil, I've kind of taken some floriculture.
Whoa, she looks good. Wait, hey.
I've took floriculture, which means I was into like flowers and soil and such.
Hey, yo.
It's so northeastern states. Most, I would say somewhere in, I think North Carolina, maybe Boston, or maybe somewhere in Massachusetts. I can't remember. Been a while.
Stab her, man. Just stab her.
Fingernails and toenails. Give me
Kill her.
give me the. I'll do the work.
It's already done.
Well, almost. Finger and toenails. So what are we missing? I think take pictures of it. Can you grab the camera? And take pictures of fingernails and toenails? Because he did say we have to take pictures as we go. Here we go.
Alright. Steps.
I got this. Let me do it. You probably do not want to be a part of this. Okay, I guess you can do it.
Ew.
My God, her lungs are almost charred, almost as if she was burning from the inside out. Now, how could that make any sense?
Grab
Someone
my
with
charger,
this much
guys.
interior damage from burns would almost be guaranteed to have tissue damage on the outside of the body. Take a picture.
Yo,
and
her
move
lungs
on.
though, busting.
So, burn from the inside, not burn from the outside. Maybe she's cooked from the inside, like a microwave, somehow. If she was to somehow travel heat from inside her body.
Her heart appears to have been stabbed and cut up.
That
Seeing
doesn't
all
make
this
sense.
interior damage, she should most certainly be mangled on the exterior. But her body is completely clean. Take a picture and we'll go to the next step.
So lungs.
Heart cut up on.
What is that?
Hurt. Heart.
That can't
cut
be.
open.
That's Jimson weed.
Jimson
weed
weed?
is a natural paralyzing agent, which could also explain the inflammation in her organs. The interesting thing is Jimson weed is also found in the Northeast. Take a picture and we'll gather our evidence.
I've never heard of Jimson weed. This is the first. Jimson weed.
Me too.
I think that. Considering the spooky game, maybe this is talking about a witch back in the witchcraft times.
To some degree. Looking at all the evidence,
Maybe
first
with
bound
Jimson,
her
maybe Jimson
and then
weed is
poisoned
part
her
of
with
some
Jimson
in
weed to paralyze
satanic
her.
rituals or
Stabbed
something
her.
in
And if
witchcraft.
that wasn't enough, they burned her. Almost as if it was a human sacrifice.
Makes
Whoever
sense
did
to
this
me.
wanted her to suffer.
So
None of this is adding up. Try putting those
northeast,
pieces you found together and see what it
Jimson
makes.
weed, soil. Dun, 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 dun.
What the fuck? Is this a Friday Night Funkin' or what the fuck is this?
So, northeast. Could it be something in the medieval back in the whatchamacallit times, the witchcraft times?
This must be ritualistic to some degree. Looking at all the evidence, they first bound her and then poisoned her with a Jimson weed to paralyze her. Cut and
me see.
stabbed her, and if that wasn't enough, they burned her. Almost as if it was a human sacrifice.
Wait a minute. Hold on, guys.
Whoever did
Wait a
this
minute. Wait a minute.
Wanted her to suffer.
Five-letter
None of
words.
this is adding up.
Let me do it. Let me do
Try
it.
putting
I
those
think
pieces you
I know
found
I think I know
together
what
and
this
see
is.
what it makes. I'm
Salem.
not sure what to make of all this. You need to get the hell out of here. I'm not so
Salem.
sure if we should finish it off, but I know one
That's
thing
a
is
place
for
in
sure.
Boston. That's in Massachusetts. Salem. That. Uh-oh.
What?
What the fuck? What the fuck? Oh shit! We got a demonic witch.
I just want to start.
Dude, she's a witch. She's a witch and from Salem. That's Marytown Esty.
I have but one.
So what happened is that she was a witch back in Salem.
What
She was-
happened is that now she's all together.
No other.
Hey.
Cover open.
Stab her again.
It's demonic activity kind of stuff. What do you
I've
expect?
lost all ambition for worldly
Wise her,
acclaim.
man.
I like
Kill
it.
her.
I just want
Back
to
in
be
listen,
the one.
a history lesson. Marytown that's probably Marytown Esty, a woman accused of witchcraft back in Salem, in Massachusetts, and she was burnt. She was either hung or burned alive on the stake. I can't remember which. And then
Human sacrifice.
Yo, there's a door here.
so she was
I just want to start.
Let's try it. The elevator.
and then so she was and then she probably was buried, which couldn't make sense. And then after she was buried, it could make sense that could make sense that they found her. Oh God! What the fuck? What the fuck?
Yo, he got his arm. Let's go.
Oh God!
Can I grab her hand?
Come in, Daddy. No! Don't let that fucker in.
This shit bussin', bro. Oh, this shit is actually good.
Did we go to Salem room? Thing?
Yo, let me just scratch my back a little bit.
It could make sense.
Just put some ranch on it.
Watch out! Watch out!
What?
No! No!
What happened? Did he get?
That's
He got
okay.
He got brought inside the back.
We gotta get out of
Main
here.
office. Once you're there, find the cellar door key. It should be located in the safe on the desk. To open that safe, you must find 4 numbers around the room. My dad did hide them somewhere within the office, but I don't know the exact locations. Good
Oh
luck.
God. Oh God. Oh God. Let's look. Let's see. What the? What the hell? Whoa. Okay, so we got a 2. So we get a 2. What if...
Dude, how was it when you got captured?
No, not me. Him. I think Denise. Dude, you good? You were good. You were taken by that fucking thing. Were you okay?
How was
Yes.
it?
Dude, what happened? Did she eat you? Oh, we got 7. Okay, I'm not gonna ask that.
There's a vent.
What the hell?
Oh, doesn't work.
277. 277.
7-7.
Let's see. 8. We got an 8. 2778.
Try it. 2778. What?
The breaker must have tripped. I'm gonna have to send one of you to go flip it back on.
I'm not going down there.
Flip the flashlight. You'll need it.
I can go. Why not?
I'd rather not be a wuss about this. I better go with her just in case.
Wait. Hold on. Oh, shit.
You stay here. I better help her out in case something goes on. What? No. Son of a bitch. What the hell? It won't let me out.
Fuck, man.
I guess it's just me and Spooky and Denise. We better stay here. Let's not send too many of us to go. One of us needs to grab the key and the other needs to go to flip the breaker.
Have you played this before?
No, I have not. This is first. I'm just saying as a strategy.
Oh shit, I just saw something.
No!
Yo!
No! No! Ah! Son of a bitch!
Get the fuck out of here, you white man.
Accurate.
The power's
Get out of
back
here,
on
you
now.
fat
Try
fuck!
and put in that code one more time.
Okay. 2.
2778.
Holy shit, you did it. Grab the key and head to the cellar door. It's time to leave this damned
fuck,
place.
you did it, faggot.
I think this place already been damned since I got here. Way before I got here, at least. I think this place.
What happened?
I think this place has already been damned since before I got here. This way, guys. This way, guys.
Where are we going?
Oh, shit.
Is someone there? I heard some commotion and noticed the lights going on and off. And
Uh-oh.
thought I'd see if you needed help. The door's locked out here. Try and open it up.
No.
Come
You
on,
got the key.
open it up.
I am.
Open it up.
No, wait, don't
Open up.
Don't
Open up.
No,
Just
don't open it.
open up your heart. and
Uh-oh,
let
God.
this-
Hey, fuck you, bitch.
And we're backwards. Yay.
Hey, what's up, man?
Oh my god. Oh, I'm about to get motion sickness.
The fuck is this?
Probably ending credits.
Where about? Is
Well-
that it? That's the only game?
This might be the end of the game. Well, I hope you enjoyed the video. I'm gonna be crying into my bed. If you did, please
Enjoyed the
like and
video.
or subscribe. This is boy Red Max Remington. I'll see you guys maybe next time. And good afternoon. It's 12 o'clock and I'm gonna go eat. So anyway, Anyways, I hope you enjoyed the video. Subscribe, give a like, and I'll see you next time. Bye.
Red Max Remington. Does he have a YouTube channel? Hold on. Search this shit up.